Life, in all its magnificent forms, shares a common foundation, the cell. From the towering redwoods to the intricate dance of bees, every living organism is built from these microscopic units. Just as bricks form a wall and words form a sentence, cells are the fundamental building blocks of all living things. Imagine a bustling city teeming with activity. Each cell, like a tiny apartment, has its own unique function and contributes to the overall harmony of the organism. Understanding the cell is key to unlocking the mysteries of life itself. Let us embark on a journey into the fascinating realm of cells, exploring their discovery, their structure, and their vital roles in the grand tapestry of life. The discovery of the cell was a watershed moment in the history of biology, opening up a whole new world of microscopic wonders. It all began in the 17th century with a curious mind named Robert Hooke. Using a rudimentary microscope, Hooke observed thin slices of cork and discovered a network of tiny compartments he named cells. Around the same time, Anton van Leeuwenhoek, a Dutch draper, crafted even more powerful microscopes. With these instruments, he was the first to observe single-celled organisms swimming in a drop of pond water. These pioneering observations laid the foundation for the field of cell biology. The discovery of cells led to the development of one of the most fundamental concepts in biology, the cell theory. This theory, developed over centuries of scientific inquiry, provides a unifying framework for understanding the nature of life. The cell theory postulates three main principles. 1. All living organisms are composed of one or more cells. 2. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function in all living organisms. 3. All cells arise from pre-existing cells. While the cell theory holds true for the vast majority of life forms, there are some exceptions. Viruses, for instance, challenge the traditional definition of a cell. These exceptions highlight the dynamic nature of scientific understanding and the ongoing quest to unravel the complexities of the living world. The cellular world is incredibly diverse, encompassing a vast array of shapes, sizes, and functions. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest plant and animal cells, the variety is astounding. However, all cells can be broadly classified into two main categories: prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. This fundamental classification helps us understand the basic organizational principles of life. These two groups represent distinct evolutionary lineages with fundamental differences in their structure and complexity. The divergence between prokaryotes and eukaryotes marks a significant point in the history of life on Earth. Prokaryotic cells, such as bacteria and archaea, are the simplest and most ancient life forms on Earth. They've existed for billions of years, adapting to a wide range of environments. These single-celled organisms lack a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Their simplicity allows them to reproduce quickly and thrive in diverse habitats. Their genetic material is concentrated in a region called the nucleoid, but it is not enclosed within a membrane. This open arrangement is one of the key characteristics of prokaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, on the other hand, are more complex and include a wide range of organisms, from single-celled protists to multicellular fungi, plants, and animals. This complexity allows for specialized functions and greater adaptability. These cells possess a true nucleus that houses their DNA, as well as a variety of other membrane-bound organelles, each specialized for a particular function. This compartmentalization is a hallmark of eukaryotic cells. To better understand the key differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, let's take a look at a table. This comparison will highlight the unique features of each cell type. Feature: prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. Nucleus absent. Present membrane-bound organelles absent present. This clear distinction helps us appreciate the complexity and diversity of life at the cellular level. Imagine the cell as a bustling city, a microscopic metropolis teeming with activity. Like any well-organized city, the cell has a complex infrastructure with different compartments dedicated to specific functions. At the heart of this cellular city lies the nucleus, the control center that houses the cell's genetic blueprint, DNA. Encasing the cell is the plasma membrane, a selectively permeable barrier that controls the flow of molecules in and out. Within the cell's interior, the cytoplasm, a gel-like substance, provides a dynamic environment for various cellular processes. Embedded within the cytoplasm are numerous organelles, each specialized for a particular task. The endoplasmic reticulum plays a crucial role in protein synthesis and lipid metabolism. The Golgi apparatus acts as the cell's packaging and distribution center, modifying, sorting, and transporting proteins and lipids. While plant and animal cells share many similarities as eukaryotic cells, they also exhibit some key differences that reflect their distinct roles in the ecosystem. These differences are crucial for their unique functions and survival strategies. Plant cells possess a rigid cell wall made of cellulose that provides structural support and protection. This cell wall is a defining feature that helps maintain the shape of the plant cell. This rigid exoskeleton allows plants to stand upright and withstand environmental stresses. It acts as a barrier against physical damage and pathogens, ensuring the plant's survival in various conditions. In contrast, animal cells lack a cell wall, giving them flexibility and allowing for movement. This flexibility is essential for the diverse range of functions animal cells perform, including muscle contraction and cell division. Plant cells also harbor chloroplasts, the sites of photosynthesis, where sunlight is converted into chemical energy. These chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, which gives plants their green color and enables them to produce their own food. These green organelles are absent in animal cells, which obtain energy by consuming other organisms. This difference highlights the distinct nutritional strategies between plants and animals. Another distinguishing feature is the presence of a large central vacuole in plant cells, which occupies a significant portion of the cell's volume. This vacuole stores nutrients, waste products, and helps maintain turgor pressure. Animal cells, on the other hand, typically have smaller and more numerous vacuoles involved in various cellular processes. These vacuoles play roles in storage, waste disposal, and maintaining cellular homeostasis. Life is a continuous cycle of growth, renewal, and perpetuation. At the heart of this cycle lies the remarkable ability of cells to divide and replicate, ensuring the propagation of life. Cells reproduce through two main processes, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis is a form of cell division that produces two identical daughter cells from a single parent cell. This process is essential for growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. During mitosis, the cell's DNA is replicated and the chromosomes are carefully separated. Meiosis, on the other hand, is a specialized type of cell division that produces gametes, such as sperm and egg cells, for sexual reproduction. Cells are not merely static building blocks, they are dynamic entities engaged in a constant flurry of activity, constantly adapting and responding to their environment. From the intricate dance of molecules to the coordinated efforts of organelles, the cellular world is a symphony of interconnected processes that sustain life. Each component plays a vital role, ensuring the cell functions smoothly. One of the most fundamental cellular processes is metabolism, the sum of all chemical reactions that occur within a cell. Metabolism is crucial for maintaining the cell's internal environment and supporting its growth and reproduction. These reactions, carefully orchestrated by enzymes, are essential for energy production, biosynthesis, and waste removal. Enzymes act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions and ensuring they occur under the right conditions. Cells break down nutrients to generate energy in the form of ATP, the cell's energy currency. ATP provides the necessary power for various cellular functions. This energy fuels a myriad of cellular activities, from muscle contraction to nerve impulse transmission. Without ATP, cells would be unable to perform these critical tasks. Cells also communicate with each other, sending and receiving signals that coordinate their activities. This communication is vital for maintaining the body's overall function and homeostasis. The coordinated efforts of trillions of cells working in unison give rise to the complexity and diversity of life we see around us. This intricate network of cellular interactions forms the foundation of all living organisms. As we conclude our exploration of the cell, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. These tiny units of life, invisible to the naked eye, hold the secrets to our existence. They are the building blocks of all living things, the engines of life, and the keepers of our genetic heritage. From the elegant simplicity of prokaryotes to the intricate complexity of eukaryotes, cells showcase the remarkable diversity and adaptability of life. Understanding the cell is not merely an academic pursuit, it is fundamental to our understanding of life itself. Let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of the cell, for within these tiny universes lie the keys to unlocking the greatest mysteries of life.